I used to struggle with fear and panic attacks, but now that I have found God, I surrender to His unconditional love.
I used to have hatred and rage towards everything in my life, but now I found peace because of God and His unconditional love.
I was incapable of showing love and respect to others,
I would look in the mirror and I would be disgusted with what I saw.
but I can now show the love of Christ through God's unconditional love.
But now I know that I'm a beautiful creation and I'm saved and freed because of God's unconditional love.
I was able to accept Christ as my Savior and have Him be able to live through me because of God's unconditional love.
I struggled with masturbation for years,
I used to think I had to be drunk to have fun.
I tend to live my life constantly rushed and chaotic.
but now I'm no longer held captive because there's no love like God's unconditional love.
But I learned that it's not through God's unconditional love.
God has taught me how to slow down and to serve Him with a genuine heart through His unconditional love.
I've had feelings of worthlessness, but I've found that my value is in God's unconditional love.
I once thought I was worthless. My life is filled with instability.
I used to feel like an impure mess.
I was really broken and prideful.
I was insecure, but God affirmed me with His unconditional love.
He lavishes me with His unconditional love. The only stability I found was through Christ and His unconditional love.
But Jesus made me pure because of His unconditional love.
Now I'm whole and set free because of God's unconditional love.